All right, y'all, welcome to 5514 and 5516 Maverick Lane in Gulf Breeze, Florida. So today we have a really unique property here. There are two dwellings on this large lot. It is located on a no outlet street, very peaceful back here. It abuts some woods, as you can see right over here on our right hand side. So the front home here is a manufactured home, and it is currently being operated as an Airbnb. It did $27,000 last year and $8,000 alone in July this year. So wonderful income producing property. If that is something you're interested in, or say you need a house for an in-law or a family member, this is a great option to consider. We have a really nice covered front sitting porch here, raised up so overlooks the front yard. This home here is very well maintained. We do have a keyless entry on the front door. Coming in, we have a nice open spacious floor plan with recessed lighting. As you can see, nice kitchen island here. Electric cooktop with a hood range. Little breakfast bar with seating for 3. And into the living room. On our right hand side, we have our first bedroom and full bathroom. They are fully utilizing this. As you can see, they can sleep, probably get 4 kids in here, definitely 3. There is a closet in here as well as blinds throughout. And into our first bathroom, there is a shower tub combo here. And then we do have some privacy for the primary suite located on the back side over here with laundry in the middle. The thermostat is in fact an Ecobee, so lots to offer there. It is a smart Wi-Fi capable heating and cooling system. I will walk you around back here. Nice fire pit hangout area for your Airbnb guest or yourself. All right, wanted to give you a peek at that little view. So we are 10 miles to Navarre Beach, 13 miles to Pensacola Beach, and 20 miles to Hurlburt Field. So great location here. You have both options in the ways of beaches, as well if you were commuting to Hurlburt, this could be a great option for you as well. So into the primary bathroom, huge walk-in shower, great for handicap accessibility. And then we have our single vanity here as well. Commode over here on the left-hand side. And there is also a walk-in closet. So lots to offer here. All right. Give you a peek at the kitchen before I take you out back into the second dwelling located on the back side of the parcel here. So always great for Airbnb guests to have a nice little space to kind of call their own. We got some white beach sand back here. Also a nice feature. Plenty of seating out here. There are 3 storage buildings on this property as well. So plenty of storage. I just think this has so much opportunity, especially if you needed that in-law space. If your in-laws aren't really able to get up and down stairs in the main house, you also have the option of this house back here, which is on a slab, so it's ground level here. So here is our third storage building. And there's a wonderful screen porch here on the front side of this house. I'll go ahead and take you in through the front door. We do have a separate little fence out here, little pond. So much potential back here. And this one has a massive living space. Let me walk you over here to this side first before I take you in. And then our additional porch over here on the side. Tons of potential back here. So many opportunities. Definitely a great option for an investment. So very nice size screened enclosed porch here. And then coming in, we come right into the main living space. There are 3 access points to the house. So there are 2 side doors on either side. Huge open spacious floor plan here. On the front side, I've got the additional door open on the side, but you can see This is a nice bonus room. It could be an additional bedroom if you needed that extra space. And then we do have sort of an office space over here as well. This could be a bedroom as well if you needed that space. There are blinds throughout. We do have some skylights as well. Raised ceilings in here. Dining area is suitable to seat 6 people. You probably get a bigger table if you went sideways right there with the table. Probably get a table that seats 8 or 10. So adequate kitchen space in here. Electric cooktop in both units. And here we have another room that you could utilize as a bedroom as well. And we have an additional living space, and that is that third door that leads to that other covered patio there that I just showed you from the outside. And into the laundry space. And they've really done some nice features in this bathroom as far as renovations go. We have really nice tile here on the floor, wood look tile that is laid in a herringbone pattern. And then this awesome shower head here, custom tile shower, huge shower. We have 2 benches in here. So the bathroom is pretty much renovated. And then we have 2 vanities on the side as well. Give another peek at this living space here. It is just massive. So again, you could actually utilize both properties as an Airbnb if you were interested in doing that. You necessarily don't have to live in one of them, but this is a great opportunity. Lots of parking, so you could actually, in fact, not have any issues with the Airbnb. You could have additional parking back here, as well as your parking up front for the main house. All right, guys, so this is a unique one. It's definitely a special property. This is going to be 5514 and 5516 Maverick Lane in Gulf Breeze, Florida. Please let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing for this one, guys.